Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to find out the last two digits for the higher powers. So here we are going to follow the same approach what we have did for unit digits and remainder properties, that is based on the cyclicity, and based on the pattern we are going to find out the last two digits for any number. So we have five different cases. If the unit digit is 0, the unit digit is 5, the unit digit is 1, the unit digit is 3, 7 or 9, or if the unit digit is 2, 4, 6 and 8. So first we'll see if the unit digit is 0. 0 raised to any power will always have my unit digit is 0. So we have taken an example. What will be the last two digits in 1230 to the whole power 125? So unit digit will definitely be 0. To find out the tens digit, we need to find out the unit digit of 3 power 125. Okay, so already we have discussed the unit digit or 3 power 125. 3 has 4 cycles like 3, 9, 7 and 1. So we need to remove the multiple of 4. So we can split it like this: 3 power 4 to the whole power 31 into 3 power 1, because 31 into 4 will get 124. Here 1. So 124 plus 1 will get the power 125. So 3 power 4 to the whole power, it is a multiple of 4, so our we will be having the unit digit is 1, and 3 power 1 the unit digit is 3, so our answer is 1 into 3 3. So tens digit will be 3 and unit digit will be 0, so last two digit will be 30. If the unit digit is 5, it raised to any power, the unit digit will definitely be 5. So if to find out the tens digit, we need to just verify the power. If the power is an even number, the last two digits will definitely be 25. In case if the power is odd, then we need to check the tens digit. If the power is odd and the tens digit is odd, then the last two digit will be 75. If the power is odd and the tens digit is even, then the last two digit will be 25. For example, 2535 to the whole power 125. Here the power is odd and tens digit is also odd, so our last two digit will be 75. 2275 to the whole power 120. So power is an even number, so directly I can say the last two digit will be 25. Next case, if the unit digit is 1, it raised to any power, the unit digit will definitely be 1. So to get the tens digit, please listen carefully. To get the tens digit, take the unit digit of the power and tens digit of that particular number and find the product of the two. And finally take the unit digit. 2541 to the whole power 123. So here unit digit will definitely be 1. To find out the tens digit, just multiply this 4 and 3. So 4 into 3 will be 12. So unit digit will be 2. So last two digit for this number will be 21. Same way here 2271 to the whole power 1225. The last digit will definitely be 1. To find out the tens digit, just multiply this 7 with 5. 7 into 5, 35. So we have unit digit 5, that 5 will be coming here. Okay, since based on the unit digit we have this easy method, so we apply the same rule for the numbers like 3, 7 and 9, because here we can make the unit digit as 1 by raising it to the power of 4 or power of 2. So 3, we have cycles 3, 9, 7, 1. So after that 3, 9, 7, 1, we can make the unit digit as 1 after the every fourth power. Same way for 7. 7, 9, 3, 1. For every fourth power, we'll have unit digit 1. 9, 9 power 1, 9, 9 square 81. So every two cycles, I can make my unit digit as 1. So by using this application, we can do this same approach as we followed in the previous case and find the answer. So let's take an example. Find the last two digits of 33 power 288. Okay, so since it is ending with 3, we need to take 33 to the multiple of 4. So split it in based on the multiple of 4. 33 power 4 to the whole power 72, right? So 33 power 4, we need to find out the last two digits, like 33 into 33 is equal to 89. So 33 power 4 will be 89 into 89, Okay, we'll get 21 as our last two digits. So 33 power 4 will have last two digit as 21. Now we can apply the rule 21 to the whole power 72. So here unit digit will definitely be 1, and to find out the tens digit, just multiply this 2 with the power 2. So 2 into 2, 4. So we'll get our answer as 41. Similarly for 7. Find the last two digits of 87 power 474. So 7, we need to first eliminate the multiple of 4. 87 power 4 to the whole power 118. So this will give me 118 into 4, which is 472. So into 87 square. So that will match the powers. So 87 power 4, we need to find out the last two digits. 87 into 87 is 69. So to find out the 87 power 4, again 69 into 69, we get last two digit as 61. So if you are familiar with finding the squares easily by using shortcut, then it will be very easy and simple way. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can go through the video which will be in the ample. 87 power 4 to the whole power 118. So here we have 61. So now we'll get 61 power 118 into, 87 into 87, last two digit is 69. So into 69. So 61. So unit digit will be 1. Tens digit will be 6 into 8, 48. So 8 alone will take. 81 into 69 will get 89 as our unit digit, last two digits. Same way for 9. Find the last two digits of 19 power 266. So first thing, we know 19 in the second power itself will get 1. So split it based on that. 19 square to the whole power 133 will give me 266. We know 19 square is 361. So 361 to the whole power 133. So now unit digit will definitely be 1. To find out the tens digit, 6 into 3, 18. So we'll get 81 as our unit digit, last two digit, right? So now we have seen for unit digit which ends with 0, which ends with 5, which ends with 1, which ends with 3, 7 and 9. So we are left with next group which is unit digit which ends with 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, so to find out the last two digits for these four numbers, we need to know about the patterns of 24 and 76. If the last two digit is 24, if it is raised to odd power, then it will definitely be, last two digit will definitely be 24. If 24 is raised to any even power, then last two digit will be 76. If the last two digit is 76, it raised to any power will give me last two digit as 76 only. Okay, so in order to find out the last two digits for any even numbers like 2, 4, 6 or 8, our task is to make the last two digit as 24 or 76, and based on that we can find out the last two digits. Okay, so now we'll see examples. So find the last two digits of 64 power 236. We know 64 is nothing but 2 power 6. So 2 power 6 to the whole power 236. Now we can take it as 2 power 1416. What is the last two digit of 2 power 1416? So we know to make it last two digit as 24, we know 2 power 10 is equal to 1024. So split it based on the powers of 10. 2 power 10 to the whole power 141 into 2 power 6. Right? So now 2 power 10 is 1024. So 1024 to the whole power 141 into 64. So here we see 24 as our last two digit. So we can apply the rule. 24 power odd number will always give me 24. So 24 into 64. So this is no other go. We need to multiply 24 into 64, which is last two digit alone we take. So it will be 36. Right? So now find the last two digits of 54 power 380. 54 is nothing but 2 into 3 cube. So now 2 into 3 cube to the whole power 380. So now we need to find out for 2 power 380 into 3 power 1140 and find out the unit digit of these two, and finally find out the product of those numbers. So 2 power 380, we know 10 cycles. 2 power 10 to the whole power 38. We know 3 has 4 cycles. Okay, so to be changed to make it the unit digit as 1. So 3 power 4 to the whole power 285. So now 1024 power 38 into 3 power 4 is 81, 81 power 285, right? So 24 power even number, it will be 76, 81. So unit digit will be 1. So to find out the tens digit, just multiply 8 into 5, which is 40. So we'll take only 0, that 0 will be here. So now 76 into 0, 1, it will be 76. Now find the last two digits of 78 power 379. Same way, 78 is nothing but 2 into 39. So 2 into 39 to the whole power 379. So 2 power 379 into 39 power 379. 2 has 10 cycles. So 2 power 10 to the whole power 37. Okay, so we'll get into 2 power 9. This will give me 370. So we have 9 separately. So we are separating it like this. Same way, 39. 9 has 2 cycles. So 39 square to the whole power 189. We'll get 378. So we have one more 39 left over. So into 39 power 1. So 2 power 10 is 1024 to the whole power 37. Into 2 power 9 is 512. We need only last two digit, which is 12. So 21, 39 square, which ends with 21. So 21 power 189 into 39. So 24 power odd number will definitely be 24 into 12 into 81 into 39. So 24 power odd number, which is 24. 512, we have 12, 21. So we can apply the rule. 1 is our unit digit. To find out the tens digit, 2 into 9, 18. So 8 will be our tens digit into 39. After this, no other go. We need to multiply all the 4. Just we stop with the last two digits alone and then keep on multiplying. So we'll be able to get 92 as our answer. Thank you.